October is here! What's up, Gadgeteers? My name is Hector and this is Gadget Beard, and on this channel I unbox and review everyday tech, gadgets, and accessories for you. And in today's video we're going to talk about the Pixel 6 and Pixel 6 Pro. Now it's October. Google has officially announced when they're going to debut this device, October 19th, 10 a.m. Pacific time. But we kind of know everything about the Pixel 6 and Pixel 6 Pro. Google even has a device on display on the brick and mortar store in New York. You can physically go over there and see the Pixel yourself with your own eyes. You just can't touch it. It's behind a display. Today, as I film this video, Mr. Brandon Lee from This Is Tech Today just dropped a bombshell over there on Twitter. Make sure you go on Twitter and give him a follow, and also subscribe to his YouTube channel. He is probably the Pixel guy when it comes to these Google Pixel devices. Ever since the Pixel was released, I've always watched all of his content. He got very good in-depth videos about the Pixel on his channel, so make sure you go over there and give him a like and a subscribe. So he dropped a bunch of images and stuff like that from a retailer that supposedly was gonna run a contest, but we have the names of the Pixel, the official names of the Pixel 6 and the Pixel 6 Pro. We have the kind of coral for the Pixel 6, sort of seafoam Pixel 6, and stormy black for the Pixel 6. Moving on to the Pixel 6 Pro, we have the sort of sunny cloudy white and stormy black also for the Pixel 6 Pro. Now prices kind of vary. Take these with a grain of salt because prices do tend to change on the fly. He says the Pixel 6 is going to launch at $849 and the Pixel 6 Pro at $1,099. These are great prices in my opinion. It doesn't steer away from the Apples, the Samsungs, or anything like that. It's in line with those devices, and being that this is going to be a very premium device, I don't see why it should be a couple $100 less than Samsung or Apple. It should be up around that same ballpark. Let me know down in the comment sections if you agree or disagree with me, and let me know also what price point do you think it should officially launch at. Now, they do have some more specs reveals here. We are getting that 50 megapixel wide camera lens in the back for the Pixel 6 Pro and the 6. We do have a 12 megapixel ultra wide, and in the 6 Pro we're gonna get that 48 megapixel telephoto. You don't get it in the 6. Smooth display. The 6 is gonna have 90 hertz flat display, and the 6 Pro is gonna have 128 curved display. Both of them OLED. I kind of wish they would have gone with the flat on the 6 Pro. It's kind of hard finding great screen protectors when it comes to curved displays. The Whitestone Dome makes a good one, but besides Whitestone Dome, if they decide to make one for your device, which in this case will be the Pixel 6 Pro, we kind of don't have a lot of options out there. So I kind of wish they start going a little bit of flat, 120 hertz OLED display. All we need, man. Come on, enough with that curved thing. And we do have a 11 megapixel front facing selfie camera for the 6 Pro and an 8 megapixel for the 6. Obviously Tensor chipset from Google, first year silicone from Google. This is why I think I'm so excited. It's almost as if the Pixel line has graduated into the league, into like the Apple iPhone league. You know what I'm saying? Because Apple does their own hardware, their own software, and now Pixel is doing their own hardware, their own software. So we're getting up there, man, and I really hope they don't disappoint, and I don't think they're going to disappoint. Yes, we're going to have bugs. Yes, we're going to have little issues here, but no device is perfect. Every device has either launched with some type of gate. You all know that. Even the iPhone, the Pixels obviously don't have a great track record. Samsung all these devices have, I don't think there's ever been a perfect launch for a device. Let me know down in the comment section below if you've seen or I'm wrong and there is or there has been a perfect launch for a device. Launch with no bugs, nothing. Everything was just perfect. I want to know. Let me know down in the comment section below. Also, he also released that there is a couple features that they didn't announce. Basically, I seen this feature before. They announced it a long time ago. I don't know if it was Google I/O or it was on one of the Pixel's release events. It's where you have like this fence. You try to take a picture of your kid playing baseball and this fence is in the way, so you can have the option to eliminate the fence. It kind of like eliminates it, or you have unwanted people in the background or anything like that. Correct me if I'm wrong, but they announced this a while back. It just never came out, and now it's out with this Pixel line. I don't know if they were having difficulties or the technology just had to catch up to that in order for it to process that type of imagery in your device. But I'm pretty sure this was announced a while back. Let me know down in the comment section below if you know what I'm talking about. I'm pretty sure if you're a Pixel fanboy, I'm pretty sure you know what I'm talking about. This was announced a while back and never came out, but now it's here, and it's here on the Pixel 6 and Pixel 6 Pro. So if you have an object or something just messing up a picture, you have the ability to erase it, which is great. They also announced that it's going to have 5 years of updates. What does that sound to you? Earlier I said that the Pixel line has graduated and it's now kind of hand in hand with the Apple iPhones. The iPhone supports their devices for long periods of time, and now Pixel and Google are going to be able to do the exact same thing. So that is a great bonus for those that don't like to upgrade every year. You now have the ability to hold on to that device longer, fully supported. Also, the Pixel Stand 2 has been released. Brandon dropped the image of the Pixel Stand, what it's going to look like, what it's going to be capable of. Yes, it's going to have a fan. It's going to have fast wireless charging up to 23 watts compared to the 10 watts on the old generation. It's made of approximately 54% post-consumer recycled materials, so save the planet. Google Assistant Spotlight, photo frame, sunrise alarm, all these Google Stand features that we now have on our device now is going to carry all over to the newer device. It's just going to have a dual coil with dedicated coil for wearables. So I believe you can charge either your headphones and your phone and possibly a watch as well with the same charging stand. And we're going to have an active cooling fan. Obviously it's going to charge fast, it's going to generate some heat, so we're going to need some fans behind that stand to cool down that device. And he does state that it will be $79, which is not a bad price for the Google Stand. I think the first one was around the same price, if I'm not mistaken, 80 to 100 bucks. This one's $79. Can charge up to 23 watts. Has 2 charging points, 2 colors, and has a fan. That is good to hear. I'm super excited. The more accessories we can get for the Pixel 6 and 6 Pro, the better the ecosystem is with Google. So, and lastly but not least, they are announcing the Pixel Pass. Now, he states that the Pixel Pass appears to be a blend of a iPhone upgrade plan where you can upgrade every year, but instead of an iPhone, this is a Pixel upgrade plan. You can upgrade to the newest and latest Pixel every year. It contains YouTube Premium, Google One, Play Pass, extended warranties, and it is associated with Google Wi-Fi. Not Google Wi-Fi, Google Fi. So there is going to be like a monthly fee you pay every month, and then when the new said device comes out, then you just simply turn in that device and you get the new one. You continue paying your normal monthly fee every month, which kind of makes sense because you have to pay monthly for Google One, you have to pay monthly for Play Pass, and if you want YouTube Premium with no ads, you pay monthly as well. So why not combine all those device, network, everything all at once? That'd be cool if they included YouTube TV in there. That would have been awesome. Don't state the price, actually. It doesn't kind of state the price, but that's good to hear, and you can get this at the Google Store and Google Wi-Fi retailers. But so now with these latest leaks, we kind of know almost everything about the Google Pixel 6 and 6 Pro. And yet, I'm still excited. Are you excited? I don't know, man. I've never been this excited for a device. Probably because we finally get to see the Google Pixel line, like I said, make the jump leap up to premium device. You have a premium hardware. You have premium silicone, the chipset made by its own. Google's making the hardware, the software, everything, and I can't wait to see what it can do when it puts everything together. The only thing we don't know about the device is the experience. Is this gonna live up to the hype? If it's gonna give us the Pixel experience that us Pixel fanboys live for. I've used numerous devices. I've used the Galaxy Fold 3, all the Apples, the LGs, and everything. But some way, somehow, I'm drawn back to my Pixel device. It don't matter if it's a Pixel 4a, 5a, 5. The specs when you use a Pixel kind of don't matter because of the fluidity of the software and how it combines and marries with the hardware. And now we have Google making both. I'm super excited to see what the Pixel 6 and 6 Pro are gonna do and what kind of pictures and video it's gonna produce. Come on, dude. We haven't had a new sensor, a 50 megapixel sensor. That is huge. You can see it in myself. I'm so excited. I hope you're excited as well for the Pixel. Hashtag Team Pixel. Can't wait. Let me know down in the comment sections below if you're going to pick one up, or you're excited like me, or I'm just overhyped and I'm just a goober. Also, let me know down in the comment section below. Please like, share, and subscribe. And like always, I'll catch you guys on the next video. Peace.